Hello everyone. So I want to teach you guys how to use our point of sale software. The first thing you do is to go to your browser, type in our website doit.ng. Then once the website finish loading, you go to here. You go to the support icon here and chat with our support. If you chat with our support, someone will respond to you and onboard your institution. After onboarding your institution, they will send you your institution code and other login details. If you receive your institution code and other login details, then you can come to available softwares. Under the available softwares, you go to point of sale software. If you come to point of sale software, you download Windows version if you are using Windows. If you are using Mac, you download Mac version. When you click on download Windows version, it will take you to this page. Then you now click on download here and you download your Windows version. After download, you install the app. So once you finish installing the app, you open it and input the details that was given to you by our support. Under the institution code, put your institution code, the one that was given to you. Under username, put username. Under password, then you put your password and hit on submit. Mind you, when you are logging into our system makes use of time to log in. So the time in your laptop or your computer must be correct. Date and time must be correct. Otherwise, if you try to log in without your date being correct, it won't go. So make sure that your date and time is correct before you log in. So if I type my institution code, my date and time is correct. And type this and then click enter. So if you log into our system, then you need to synchronize. First of all, what you need to do, if you open the app for the first time, you need to reset it first. Click on reset, type reset here, then hit enter. After resetting, it will set up the app for you to use it. Then you can now input your institution code, your username, and the password that was given to you. So if you log in, after logging in, click on synchronize to download data into your system. Once the synchronization is done, if you go to analytics, you see sales, outstanding, tax, expenses, profit and loss. Then you can change branches to view analytics for different branch. You can also change year to view analytics for the year. You can change months to view analytics for each of the months in the selected year. So if I choose January, I'll view analytics from January 1 to 31st. If I choose February here, I'll view analytics for February and the rest. So when you go to branches here, you see all the branches that is existing in your institution. So if your shop has multiple branches, this app can also accommodate multiple branches. So here is workers. When you come to workers, you see all the workers in your system from the general manager down to the last person. So on these workers, every day here, you have a sales record of what everybody in your institution sold for the day. So assuming this general manager made a sale now, if you come to this sale, you see the amount of money that the general manager got for the day, expenses, total, and outstanding. This outstanding is debt. Maybe somebody came to your shop, one of your regular customers came to your shop to buy something and they did not pay complete. So the remaining money that they did not pay is outstanding. So when you come to customers, you can add a customer here. Just type the name of the customer. Let's say the customer name is customer phone number. Then submit form. You have added a customer. So if you come to this customers table, you see total. Total is the amount of money that the customer has amount of the worth of goods that the customer has purchased from your shop. So with this, you can do customer appreciation. Maybe at the end of the year, you know your customer, your biggest customer, and the people that bought the highest amount of good, and you can reward them according to your company's policy. Here you can sort customers by name, or you sort it by total, or you sort it by outstanding. Here also you can sort it by descending or ascending order, and also here you can sort it by last year or this year. So that is that for customer. Then if you come to items, these items shows you all the products you have in your shop, in your mall, and each of the branches. So from here you can see we have a scanner in this mall. You see the price, you see the sale factor, you see the restock period, you see the barcode, you see the quantity and the stock balance. So this sale factor now is you use it to differentiate items. For example, this software is meant to be used by mall. It's also meant to be used by restaurant. It's also meant to be used by kitchen. So there are some items that you sell in half. For example, you can sell half plate of egusi. You can sell half plate of pepper soup. You can sell 1 plate of pepper soup. But if it is an item that is supposed to be sold in the mall, the sale factor should be 1. For example, let's add an item now. So if I go to add a new item and I want to add power bank as an item, power bank as an item. Price of power bank, let's say it's 12,000. Here, let's say it's Oraimo power bank, 12,000. Barcode. Then you plug your scanner, barcode scanner, and scan the barcode of the product, or you can type it here. But if you have the product, use a scanner, plug a scanner to your system and scan it. Then because it's power bank, you can't sell half of power bank, so you have to select one, that is sale factor of Oraimo to be 1. Then restock period, select the restock period as yearly, because goods like power bank will be, you are going to do account for it every year. So the restock period for Oraimo should be yearly. Then you choose the branch and submit. That's it. I've created Oraimo power bank. So if it is a kitchen that want to add okra soup, I can click here. Assuming it's a kitchen now and I want to add okra soup. So price of okra soup 2,500. Barcode, you can just type anything here. Because you are not selling it by barcode. Then sale factor for okra soup. Assuming I'm selling half plate of okra soup for 700. So I can choose half plate, half as sale factor here. Restock period for soup is daily, because you restock your restaurant every day. So choose branch. So that's how to add item for mall, kitchen, or restaurant. So anything you don't understand here, you can go to our website and chat our support to explain it more for you. So the next here is restocking. So if you want to restock an item, you can either restock it from the item directly. You can come here and search the item. Assuming I want to restock okra, I'll type okra here and click on restock. I'll add quantity. Maybe today we made 20 plates of okra. So I'll choose a branch, choose the worker. So I've added 20 plates of okra for today. So after restocking, the next thing you do is to make a sale. So when you come here to make a sale, it's either if you plug your scanner and scan, it will add, or you can come here and select the item you want to add. So assuming I'm in a mall and I want to sell power bank okay, let me restock power bank first. Let me restock power bank. Power bank, let me see, we have 10 pieces of power bank. Yes. So if I want to sell power bank, now I can plug my scanner and scan the barcode of the power bank. It will automatically drop it here. Or I can go here and select power bank. Maybe somebody came to buy 2 pieces of power bank. I'll click on process sell. That's it. It will now print the receipt and you give it to the person. So if you look here now, you see sale. I've sold 24,000. Expense is 0. Total amount 24. Outstanding 0. Assuming a customer came and wanted to buy something and didn't pay completely. For example, our customer came to buy wine opener, 2 pieces of wine opener, and he also bought Oraimo. So, and the customer's name is this guy. So, and he's paying part payment. Maybe he's paying, let's say the total amount is 13,000 and he's paying 10,000. You can see. If he's paying 10,000, then I'll keep 10,000 and click on process sale. That's good. So from here now, from this, you see I sold 37,200 for today. The total is 37,200 and I have an outstanding of 3,002. So this outstanding is the amount of money that our customer did not complete. So the amount that our customer did not complete is that the debt that our customer is owing our shop. So when you go to customers, you see customer, the total amount of money they bought and their particular outstanding. So you see it now, the customer has outstanding of 3,002. So from here now I can click on transaction and select only the transactions of the customer. Assuming the customer has made a payment, I'll come to part payment and submit the form. So it will now be recorded that the customer is no longer owing. Look at it, outstanding. If you go to sales, outstanding has cleared. So that's how to process a sale. Then if you go to expenses, this is where you add expenses that you incurred in your shop. So maybe you bought fuel for your generator. Fuel 8,200 today. So you submit it. So if you go to sales, you will see that you have expenses of 8,200 here. You can see the expenses of 8,200. It has recorded that you made an expenses of 8,200 today. So when you go to analytics, everything will report here. Everything will report here. If I change to January and go to today, which is 30th, you can see everything I did today. It has reported. So if you are using Windows on this our platform, from time to time, when you try to write something, maybe on this name, you will notice that when you click on it, it will not click. So if you notice something like that, that's the purpose of this refresh button. Just click on refresh. It will refresh and it will start working. Anytime you notice that maybe you want to choose something and it's not clicking, or you want to type something and it's not typing, just click on refresh. It will refresh. So at the end of the day, once you are done with the whole sales for the day, you can click on synchronize. So this synchronization now will take everything you have done for the day and upload it to the server. So that once another person logs out, once you log out, set, and another person logs in, so if another person logs into the system and click on synchronize, it will now download all the data, all those things that you worked on previous day, to download it into the system. So you can check, you see workers, customer, see the customer that we created, item, see all the items we created. So that is how to use our point of sale. So if there's anything you don't understand here, you can come to you can come to our website, our do it.ng, and chat with our support. We'll also teach you how to go further on the teaching of how to use our point of sale software. Thank you so much.